Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're using a Rheem water heater and suddenly see an error code on the display, it can be confusing because the system shows a code but doesn't always explain what it means in simple terms. These error codes are actually built-in alerts that help you identify specific issues like ignition failure, water flow problems, overheating, or sensor faults. The challenge is knowing what action to take once you see those codes, because ignoring them can lead to bigger problems over time. The good approach is to understand the most common errors and fix them step by step without guessing. Once you know what each type of issue points to, it becomes much easier to get your system back to normal operation. In this video, I'll guide you through the most common Rheem errors and exactly how to fix them in a clear and simple way. Try these. 1. Check the error code displayed on the unit and identify what it indicates. 2. Reset the water heater using the control panel to clear temporary faults. 3. Ensure proper water flow by opening valves and checking for blockages. 4. Confirm that the gas supply is on and reaching the heater correctly. 5. Inspect air intake and exhaust vents for any obstruction. 6. Take action based on the specific error code shown to resolve the issue.